moratorium on new medical marijuana businesses in Oklahoma starting on August 1st, 2022. I'm Federal Attorney James Wirth. We're talking about a new bill that is passed and gone into law that is going to limit the number of new medical marijuana businesses for the next 2 years. And the bill we're talking about is House Bill 3208. It was passed into law and signed by the governor on May 26th of 2022, and there's a couple things that it does. First off, it grants new authority to the OMMA. That is the Oklahoma Medical Marijuana Authority. It adds on one additional thing they could do, and that one additional thing is that they can declare and establish a moratorium on processing and issuing new medical marijuana business licenses pursuant to the law for an amount of time the authority deems necessary. So one, it gives OMMA the authority to decide there's going to be a moratorium, but the next one, it actually creates a new law that then mandates that they currently create a moratorium. What it says is beginning August 1st, 2022 and ending August 1st of 2024. So for a 2-year period, the OMMA shall, based on the current medical marijuana business licenses for dispensaries, so on and so forth, declare and establish a moratorium on processing and issuing new medical marijuana business licenses for dispensaries, processors, and commercial growers. Now, the law also has some exceptions, noting that it does not affect renewals, does not affect a change of ownership or perhaps a change of location. So if it's an existing business, changing owners, changing locations, then you may be fine. Or if you're just doing renewal, then you should be fine. This doesn't affect you. However, if you're trying to get a new business established in Oklahoma's medical marijuana industry, then you need to get that application and everything properly set up and on file before the August 1st deadline, because this is what it says. The authority shall review and process applications for medical marijuana business licenses for dispensaries, processors, and commercial growers if the applications were received on or before August 1st of 2022. So we've got a deadline of August 1st of 2022. If you don't get it in by then, you've got to wait 2 years once this moratorium is completed on August 1st of 2024. So if you wanted to get involved in that business, you're probably going to want to talk to an attorney about the ramifications of this and the timing and the requirements for licensing and keeping in compliance with Oklahoma's various laws and the administrations that enforce those laws. So talk to an attorney about that. To get somebody with my office, you can go online to makelawEasy.com.